have the brand new Arrma OUTCAST 4S BLX, and in today's video we're going to see how fast this goes right out of the box. This is a 1/10 scale electric ready to run stunt truck. It's 17% larger, it has bigger shocks, wider suspension arms, and it's just overall going to be stronger and more durable. Let's run. Pit crew Nate in the house. Which one do you like better, the OUTCAST or the Creighton, just on looks?
Just on looks, I thought I'd like the Creighton more, but I think I like the OUTCAST a little more. I like that color a lot. Imagine if they mixed this with that teal.
Ooh, yeah, that would look good.
Ooh, that'd be nice. But the best thing about both of these new Arrmas is their plug system, because if you want to, you can take that out and run two 2S batteries, which could save some people a lot of money. So I really like that they thought about that.
Where's your brown tape, mate?
You know what? Christmas this year, right?
Gotta get you more colors.
Pit crew Nate. When do I get a pit crew for my airplanes? I gotta be my own pit crew and everything on those.
I'm sure you can find someone that would want to be your pit crew. Are we on 50%?
Are you telling me what I think you're telling me?
What?
I get my own pit crew?
Sure.
Okay.
No girls though.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, let's go. Abby, you're on 50%. Let's see how fast the OUTCAST goes. A lesson to all of you. Looking for your own pit crew. Should start in-house first. We'll just say that. Okay, 50%. Let's see how fast the OUTCAST went. The Creighton, the new Creighton was 30 miles an hour. This is 30 miles an hour too. Really? 30 miles an hour, excuse me. I'm surprised too. 75? Okay, okay, okay. Whoo, it's got power. That's gonna, this is a stunt truck on wheels.
This one's gonna be fun.
So is this gonna beat the Creighton is what I wanna know. Oh, it has the potential. It totally has the potential.
I'm scared this one's gonna flip on 100.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. You gotta ease into it. Gotta ease into it. It is a stunt truck. Hold her steady there, Abby. Hold her steady.
I need to trim it.
Okay, okay. All right, all right. How fast? 40 miles an hour. You're already kind of beating the Creighton. 100%. Did you get it trimmed? Let's hope. Okay. She's got it.
100% always makes me nervous.
Me too, no matter like what size vehicle we're but I'm ready. I'm ready. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So you hit 52 miles an hour on the Creighton. We're wanting to know, is this faster than the new Creighton?
What C rating battery do you have?
Oh, I'll tell you when you're done. That's so fast. So fast. Abby and I have been super congested. Abby, why don't you say something? Tell them one of your favorite things.
I like this car.
Okay, see the oh! 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 Whoa! Whoa! Oh, let's go out there. Yeah, let's go see. Let's go see.
This one can be yours.
That's fine. I get the OUTCAST. That's how we do things. When I crash my planes, they become Abby's. When she crashes the cars, they become mine. It's so sad. It's just like a little roadkill right now. Not cool. There's the meter. Let's make sure the car's okay first. Oh, my new OUTCAST. No, Abby.
It doesn't have skid marks on the top, does it?
You have punctured.
That's all your fault.
Oh, Abby, skid marks.
Don't talk to a woman while she's trying to
drive.
drive.
But look at that speed. Look at that speed. You're right. Don't talk to a woman while she's trying to drive. That was really well said. I'm so happy you said that here on YouTube. Okay, 52 miles an hour.
Yeah, you better not beat.
Let me see. I'm gonna have to retape it. 52. This is just like what happened last time.
I think it kind of looks better with the battle scars.
You know what? It's kind of like our Corsair.
Yeah.
It's been through some stuff. It's seen some things. It's survived the TheRcSaylors on day one. Never an easy task. There's still some other people out there a little harder on their RCs, but here we go. Here we go. 100%. Let's ease into it. Watch out, butterfly. It's not a place to be playing around. Okay. That was full throttle for a solid like 2 or 3 seconds. Let's do it this way. I trimmed it better than you, by the way. That's hands-free there, Abby. Look how solid that was. I think we need to show everyone one more time. I'm gonna go hands-free here, just like I do with my airplanes. Check it out.
impressive.
You know that was impressive.
I'm impressed.
Okay, are we at 53? There's no wind. I have no wind helping boost me. Did we beat 52 miles an hour with my battle-scarred Outcast? Oh no, we tied.
Good.
52. But I still beat you on your new Creighton, and I'll take that. Well, seeing as how this is now my Outcast, I think I can do the outro to the video. 52 miles an hour is not too shabby at all. Maybe because we ran a 50C 4S LiPo in there, and the Creighton had a 100C rating battery. Did that extra 50 Cs make that 1 mile an hour of a difference, or is it just the beast itself? You let us know in the comments. Guys, we're gonna bash these at Bash Mountain. Abby and I traveled to some events over the last couple weekends. We went to Axial Fest, and people there all knew where Bash Mountain was. They loved it. It was so awesome talking about Bash Mountain, so I love that you guys are fans of Bash Mountain. We're definitely gonna take these there. And should we do them in the same video or separate videos? Because I think the Outcast is going to, because it's mine, I'm at the controls, is gonna show up Abby's new Creighton. Although I love the Creighton. This one being mine, thank you Abby, just because of one crash. I'll take it.
I think the Outcast will like be more impressive looking.
It's gonna be more fun to watch, I think.
But I think the Creighton will be more fun to drive.
I think the Creighton's gonna get more air.
I think you're gonna get more flips.
I'll get more flips, you'll get more air, yes?
Like, I think you're gonna be on your back a lot.
And what are your guys' favorite colors? Well, you're the one that crashed this today, so we'll see about that. They both look great. I love that you can run two 2S batteries in series if you want, or a single 4S battery. Please guys, give this video a like, because Abby got out here. She is feeling a little under the weather today, both for this video and the Creighton video, so give us a like. And if you do want to buy one of these and you like and appreciate family-friendly content, whether it's this car or just a new battery that you need to pick up, or a new plane or boat, whatever, you can click the link to pull up the Outcast. While you're there, search for whatever you need or want and buy it, and we'll get a little bit of credit. So we really appreciate that. If having family-friendly content on YouTube means anything to you, look, family-friendly content makes the Outcast happy, yeah? Well, we gotta get home and top off these batteries so we can have fun bashing. And just for today, getting out here despite us being slightly under the weather, I wanna thank God just for this beautiful day and this awesome opportunity. Also, a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters, because we couldn't do what we do as often as we do without your amazing support. If you want to join the Patreon team and get some sweet TheRcSaylors stickers, we'll have that linked in the description box below too. Now, if you want to see me smoking Abby on that Creighton too, we'll have that speed test video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.